a shot for a field goal is attempted and the 24-second signal sounds while the ball is in the air, if the ball hits the backboard or misses the ring and the opponents have gained immediate and clear control of the ball, the signal shall be disregarded and the game shall continue. Let's take it step by step. Black 4 attempts a long shot. The ball misses the ring, touches the backboard when the 24-second signal sounds. The opponent, White 4, is the first to get to the ball and the game doesn't stop. Correct.